वेट नॉट स्टार्टिंग ओ मैं एडिट कर देगा टेंशन मत ले
हाँ, शाना है तू हाँ?
ऐसा मैं बोला ना एडिट कर दूंगा टेंशन मत ले तो टेंशन नहीं लेने का मैं
हाँ तो
करता
मैंने देखा तेरे को टेंशन नहीं लेने का हाँ?
ओके
टेंशन नहीं लेने ओके हाय एवरीबॉडी we are back again and this time we are going to talk about how we planned our Kedarnath trip. Hi Isla.
हाय लव नो वी बोथ डोंट हैव द सेम लव इसका बेटे का नाम लव hi guys, so this video is on our Kedarnath ride that we did in October
end.
October end. ये वीडियो लिया जा रहा है एज ऑफ लाइक यू विल सी इट ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक अ कपल ऑफ डेज आफ्टर दिस वीडियो वाज टेकन. क्यों इतना बड़ा लीड टाइम था इस पता नहीं. लेजीनेस पता है.
No laziness.
It's just that we've been busy with other things, so
Correct.
it's okay.
Don't say lazy.
It's okay, whatever. So नहीं अभी नहीं दिखेंगे चलेगा. It's okay. ठंडी भी नहीं है ना अभी गर्मी आ गई है. ठंडी में दिख के आती है थोड़ी सी.
अच्छा ये सब
Okay.
करने का
हाँ,
ये
हाँ,
तो-
100%. Okay, so this is about the Kedarnath ride that we did. If you've seen our previous video, that was the introduction. वहाँ पे we have spoken about where we are from, etc. So all our rides that will be taking place will be ex-Mumbai. We'll start from Mumbai wherever we go. So this is just a beginning video. ये particular video में आप ride के ज़्यादा photos नहीं देखेंगे या फिर वीडियोस नहीं देखेंगे. आप इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस एंड फोटोज देखेंगे अबाउट
how we decided to go,
how we decided to go,
what was our plan,
when we left,
when did we leave,
and
बाइक्स चला के लेके जाने हैं या ट्रांसपोर्ट करने हैं,
पिकअप कैसे किया,
पिकअप कैसे किया, all these things we are going to
our
talk about.
experience, the pricing, a little bit about everything, so that आप लोग if you want to do it makes more sense. So how was the plan made?
हाँ. ये भाई साहब जाने वाले थे अकेले.
अरे
मैं
सोचा
जा रहा
सोलो
हूँ.
तो सोलो ना.
मैं जा रहा हूँ केदारनाथ. मतलब कहीं नहीं जा रहा है तू मेरे सिवा, है कि नहीं?
बराबर है.
हाँ.
So
Then we started thinking, okay, then I had
ये
little
कब
bit
बोला
of
मैंने
work.
मैं सोलो निकल रहा हूँ सितंबर लास्ट वीक में, क्योंकि मेरे को डर था कि स्नोफॉल गिरेगा तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. और इनिशियल प्लान क्या था, माधव और सुषमा, दैट्स माय सन एंड वाइफ, इनको फ्लाइट से भेजने का और मैं राइड करके जाऊंगा. वो लोग ने बोला नहीं आएंगे क्योंकि ठंडी ज़्यादा थी.
Yeah,
और
exactly.
तू देन यू सेड दैट
So no, I had
Maybe
to
around.
I had to check my calendar what exactly I'm doing in those days, and fortunately I had some work in Delhi on the end of October, right? 24,
आई थिंक
25th.
यू वर देयर इन दिल्ली ऑन द 14th फॉर योर ऑफिशियल वर्क.
No. We sent the
अपना-
bike on 23rd, right?
नहीं वो बाद में, पहला तो यू अपना प्लान ही 2 बार पोस्टपोन हुआ. ऐसा था फर्स्ट टाइम वी वर गोइंग टू लीव व्हेन वी वर गोइंग टू लीव ऑन द 25th.
Hmm.
दैट डिडंट हैपन
Okay.
बिकॉज ऑफ समथिंग. देन वी सेड अच्छा
यहाँ
you
पे
know what?
डेट्स के थोड़े
हाँ थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो
थोड़ा
रहा है,
गड़बड़ हो
चलेगा,
रहा है.
कोई सही कुछ
But
नहीं.
anyways,
आज का डेट भी आ गया.
what we are trying to say is that I had work in Delhi, so the best thing for us was to actually send our bikes to Delhi and then proceed from there to Kedarnath, because
बिकॉज मैं अजय देवगन नहीं है, मैं
नहीं.
2 बाइक नहीं चला सकता.
and so basically people working in multinational companies, we normally get छुट्टीज. 10 दिन की छुट्टी भी बहुत टाइम के बाद मिलती है और उसके लिए भी हाथ पैर जोड़ने पड़ते हैं लोगों को.
और
सो
ये
व्हाई
ride क्या फटाफट किया था.
या एंड देन वी डिसाइडेड ऑन दिस ट्रिप so quickly that we didn't have so no मुझे
Time नहीं था,
हाँ,
basically.
मुझे टाइम पीरियड ऑफ 10 days की छुट्टी मिल गई थी दिल्ली से ही. So what I planned was, when I spoke to him, I told him let's send our bikes over there, because what will happen is, coming back from Delhi, then riding all the way back to Delhi, and then going to Sersi, it will eat me 3 days of
वो
my.
ऐसे ही आगे पीछे अपना 3 दिन खा रहा था,
खा रहा
6 दिन
था।
तो उधर ही वेस्ट हो रहे थे, तो बचे
Exactly.
4 दिन घूमने के लिए.
Exactly.
So we thought that we'll send our bikes, so it makes much more sense, because when we are in Mumbai or Delhi or whatever, उसी टाइम पे हमारे bikes travel करते रहेंगे,
Hmm.
and they will be there in Delhi for us when we actually want to leave. So
And we can make good use of our holidays.
yeah, so
The time,
because we
yes.
wanted to use our main days to travel and not in getting our bikes from place A to place B, या फिर रास्ते पे नहीं निकालने थे, बिकॉज फिर 24 घंटा चलाते रहेंगे तो एक टाइम के बाद क्या हो जाएगा, बाय द टाइम वी रीच फटीग सेट्स इन, एंड देन इट बिकम्स अ प्रॉब्लम. सो अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये आ रहा था कि बाइक्स भेजे कैसे, बिकॉज अपने यहाँ पे नॉर्मली you know, a very good economical mode of transport is our trains.
Trains.
And the next
And
option is
trucks.
via your normal courier trucks, trailers जो गाड़ी लोड करते हैं. अभी ट्रेन्स का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है, दो इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट, दो डर थे. आर बाइक्स आर एक्सपेंसिव, सो इफ एनीथिंग गोज रॉन्ग, you know, the bike can be damaged severely, and we don't want to put all our funding then to get the bike repaired, and then you know the ride starts with a very negative sentiment. And हम लोग को, you know, that was the point when we started this channel, we are not going to do anything negative. जब होता है, you obviously cannot prevent it, but we always want to look at the positive side of things. So damaging का chances था, plus उन्होंने बोला था fuel पूरा निकालना पड़ेगा, which also means अभी EFI systems है, अगर कुछ air जाता है अंदर, and if something goes wrong in the mountains, then it's going to be a problem. तो then we spoke to a few courier guys, एंड उन्होंने बोला कि पॉसिबल है, तो किसी ने कुछ कोट किया, किसी ने कुछ कोट किया, बट फाइनली वी केम डाउन टू गति, एंड गति वॉज रियली नाइस. दे गाइडेड अस हाउ दे विल डू इट एक्सेट्रा, हाउ दे विल पैक द बाइक्स ऑन कॉल. इट कॉस्टेड अस अराउंड 8,000 rupees फ्रॉम देयर मुंबई ऑफिस टू
Taloja. From Mumbai
yeah,
office,
Mumbai office in Taloja
to Gurgaon.
to which is in Navi Mumbai, and to not Gurgaon, actually Delhi बोला था.
हाँ, बोला था दिल्ली,
बोला था
लेकिन
Delhi,
गुड़गांव is
but-
considered Delhi now.
I don't know. Gurgaon people might get angry hearing that.
No, but he said Delhi and then he called us to
Yeah.
Gurgaon.
So Delhi बोला गया था basically. He said that actually हमको हमारा था कि bikes will
Home
be
to
kept
home
at,
delivery. या from
नहीं, पहले
office to
office
home.
to home बोला था.
Yeah.
तो 8,000 rupees per bike, so 16,000, and it was supposed to come to our his friend's place at Vasant Kunj, जहाँ पे बाइक्स रिसीव करने थे. पॉइंट ये था कि जितना हम लोग लोड कम कर सके बिफोर वी रीच, द बेटर इट वुड बी, and that's how we selected the transport. Obviously for that we had a lot of feedbacks you know, that we received when we read on the internet, spoke to a few people. बहुत लोग ने बोला यार डैमेज होते हैं, दिस होते हैं, पार्ट्स चोरी होते हैं, blah blah blah, but
But we had to take a chance. We had to see for ourselves now what
and
is to be
obviously
done.
when we
And
spoke to the Gati guys,
we made it very clear to them
yeah.
that these bikes are very costly, and you need
and
to
they
take care
obviously
of
they
it.
took a lot of good care, so kudos to them.
Yes.
They took a lot of good care. They explained to us every step के कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, and जब bikes transport में भी थे, वो
Yeah,
हम,
they-
you know, when we
they
used
used
to
to give
ask,
us- yeah,
when we
they-
used to ask, वो बताते थे कि सर आज नासिक क्रॉस किया है, इंदौर पहुंचा है, ऐसे ऐसे. So even when the bikes reached, in fact हमको बताया गया था, so 23rd we sent the bikes,
Yeah, 23rd October we sent the bikes.
जो you can see it in the video, and 23rd को गए, and we were told 30th तक पहुंच जाएगा, but astonishingly 25th को पहुंच गया. So basically they gave us some buffer time कि in case delays होते हैं, so हमारा anxiety नहीं बढ़ेगा.
Correct.
So we will not be anxious, oh my god, what happened to the bikes, etc. So very happy with the way Gati has managed it. Though we could not see the bikes getting loaded because रात के 1-1:30 बजे हो गया था. उसमें भी एक्चुअली है ना ट्रैवल टाइम छोटा था. यू रिमेंबर 23rd को भी ड्रॉप द बाइक्स ऑफ अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग.
And 25th को पहुंच गया था basically 25th. Yeah.
नहीं, इट रीच्ड ऑन, वी रिसीव्ड इट ऑन द 30th, इट रीच्ड ऑन द 28th और समथिंग.
Yeah, exactly.
So it took 5 days, but if you remember लोड भी 24th मॉर्निंग, अर्ली मॉर्निंग
Early morning को हुआ था.
कुछ सुबह के 2-3 3-4 बजे. सो फोटोज लोडिंग के फोटोज वीडियोस नहीं भेज पाए थे बिकॉज यार रात के 3 बज रहे थे. बट सो हाउ वर दे पैक्ड? You can see videos and pictures as we speak about how they were packed.
Yeah, very nicely. Basically, they were covered the whole
3 layers of protection.
3 layers of protection.
Bubble wrap,
Then the cardboard, and then again the bubble wrap.
Again bubble wrap, then last में plastic covering की थी और उसके ऊपर फिर से cardboard डाला गया था. So actually 3 नहीं 4, 5, 6 layers हो गए थे almost, and they covered every inch of the bike. I mean.
It was really nice.
Yeah, it was really nice. At a point, the only thing that we could see was the tires. अगर टायर नहीं होते तो पता भी नहीं चलता उसके अंदर बाइक्स है.
Exactly.
So that was really well done, and well, I think there was also something like insurance. After you asked him कि अगर कुछ हो जाता है, what happens if the bike or if the truck gets into an accident or something?
हम तो रोज ही ये भेजते रहते हैं. There is no
And
problem. That is our insurance.
No. Remember he had mentioned that जब vehicles निकलते हैं.
Oh yeah.
24-hour.
Insurance on their particular transport agencies or the trucks are insured, and
up
also
to a
the
point of 1 crore. Is
yeah,
what he
and
mentioned.
also the material inside the truck is insured.
So in case something happens, at least we knew that things could be taken care of.
Yeah.
And we wouldn't be left in a lurch कि अरे यार अब क्या करें क्या हो गया etc. So overall very good experience as far as transport was concerned, being our first time sending the bikes off. भेजने से पहले हम लोग ने सर्विसिंग कराई थी बाइक की, चेकिंग्स किया था.
Yeah, everything normally that a person will do. Oil check.
Basically the running and everything was checked, electronics and everything were done.
Tires.
The onboard diagnostics were done at both our centers to make sure there was no error on our bikes, electronically or physically, mechanically, everything.
Then I think my bike had panniers, yours had not yet come.
Yeah, my panniers had not yet come. So I was carrying the Rhinox saddlebags, expedition bags.
So basically what we did was we packed everything in my panniers, like all the essential driving. My shoes went, our shoes
अपना riding kit पूरा किया था. तो riding boots,
and then jackets, knee pad, and then gloves,
different gloves, street gloves in case it got very hot, and normally cloth based, they breathable, and the touring gloves, the leather ones that we were going to use on the main actual highways.
And all our also our thigh.
Yeah, our bags, thigh bags, our mounts, mobile mounts, etc. So
then
basically riding essentials, everything. Yeah.
Chain lubricants, and also
that was Pooja. This somebody who came out from here.
And also we also took our toolkit and everything.
Yeah, so everything was put in the panniers, and panniers भी load किए गए थे bikes के साथ.
Yeah.
So that was another good thing because even the panniers didn't have any damage on them. Like
exactly.
Absolutely spick and span, and bike को panniers के साथ ऐसे नहीं कि panniers को निकाल के रखा था.
Yeah.
We didn't give our keys because
obviously we are not good.
Because obviously it's our bikes and all. So on the 30th, I left from Mumbai. I took a flight. बीच वाला सीट मिल गया था, पूरा PPE किट पहन के बैठा था. 30th we reached.
And I met him at my friend's house, and then we went to. Yeah, it wasn't.
I met him on the 29th of 29th afternoon.
तो 30th बोला अभी पहुँचा?
30th को the bike was received.
Yeah, so 29th.
I reached Delhi on the 29th, and then.
अच्छा हाँ.
Because I was not free. Yeah, you got free from Noida afternoon.
Yeah.
Then we both met at your friend's place.
And then we went
evening
to.
we went. So okay, ये अलग सीन हुआ था. So जब हमने कॉल किया था उन्होंने बताया गया था, सर आपकी बाइक्स तो गुड़गांव में है. And I said भाई लेकिन चाहिए था तो वसंत कुंज में. So not very far, half an hour distance, but then they are like, सर आपने चाबी नहीं दी. So I said चाबी क्यों? चाबी तो वैसे भी क्यों देना था? नहीं हमारे बंदे चला के लेके जाने वाले थे. I said no thank you. अच्छा हुआ चाबी नहीं दी, because we expected that it was going to get transported via the the transport trucks to Vasant Kunj, but nevertheless it's okay. We went to Gurgaon.
कौन देगा यार चाबी?
नहीं देते apparently, because I think from I don't know, from somewhere north. Goa से आ रहा था somewhere he was in Goa in that video, but he was not with his tiger. I think tiger was getting transported from Manali or something, I'm not very sure. I'll have to go and see the video again, but the bike he received the bike at Bangalore,
Okay.
and then the transport guys told him कि चाबी नहीं है. So apparently उसकी चाबी निकली नहीं थी, चाबी वहीं पे रह गई थी, and bike came. The bike was very well packed, like in a cage box and everything, in boxes.
हम चाबी कहाँ से अलग से आ रही थी?
चाबी उनके पास रह गई थी. I think this was in Jaipur, yeah.
Oh my god.
And चाबी जयपुर में थी, and
Good we didn't give up keys over there.
and
I would never give my keys.
bike
I would
was in
rather go
Bangalore.
and collect it
So
from their
listen to
office.
this. Listen to this. So what they did, they towed the bike to the nearest tramp service center, which he said that 1 किलोमीटर दूर है. Turned out कुछ 4-5 किलोमीटर दूर था. So he towed the bike ऐसा कुछ तो कर करके, and फिर I think कुछ 1-2 दिन बाद उसको चाबी मिला. So he had to, चाबी उसके घर पे कुरियर हो गई. So उसको चाबी लेके he had to go back to his from his house to the tram service center, and then he picked up his bike. So thankfully हम लोग के साथ ये झमेला हुआ नहीं, and we didn't give our keys.
Yeah.
Imagine अगर ये दिल्ली में पहुंचने के बाद मालूम पड़ता था तो हम लोग का 2-3 दिन ऐसे वेस्ट हो जाता था. And these
Then
bikes,
there was no meaning to.
yeah, and then we cancel करना पड़ता था. Plus ये सब बाइक्स के चाबी काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं. अगर आपको नया पूरा सेट करना, चेंज करना पड़ेगा. तेरे तो पैनियर्स के चेंज होते थे.
Everything.
Your tank lock would
lock.
have changed. Your actual ignition would have changed.
Yeah, everything.
Your toolbox opener, everything means अच्छा खासा फटका उधर ही, बजट खत्म केदारनाथ का. So thankfully चाबी नहीं दी, and then we went and picked it up. उनका जो अनलोडिंग लोकेशन था,
That was in Gurgaon. It was
Yeah.
like, oh my god, ऐसा लग रहा था मेरा.
सैंड ड्यून्स लग रहे थे वो.
हाँ.
अरे वो
उधर राजस्थान के सैंड
राजस्थान के सैंड ड्यून्स, फुल ऐसे मिट्टी, ब्राउन मिट्टी, एंड ट्रक्स खड़े हैं. बाबा इतना डस्ट. Our bikes were thankfully not a single scratch, so kudos to them, but covered in dust, so we cleaned it up. We gave them a small tip.
we just cleaned it up like that.
Yeah,
चलाते
बस.
चलाते हो गया फिर.
And निकल गया वो. उधर से ही हम लोग का ऑफ रोड स्टार्ट हो गया था. Little did we know what we are going to get greeted with the next day.
Yeah.
And well, yeah, that's it. उसके अलावा और कुछ ऐसा पैकिंग वैकिंग स्पेसिफिक कुछ किया नहीं था. We went to, after we took our bikes, we went to that mall to pick up Colombia के.
इसको
हाँ मेरे
he had to.
He had, but I was not. See again, बॉम्बे का बंदा हो यार, दिल्ली की ठंडी 1-2 बार फेस की है, but I was like यार ठीक है, फ्रीज जैकेट काम चल गया. Thankfully,
Yeah.
I picked up a couple of more things from Colombia to keep myself warm. Thermals carry कर रहा था फिर भी. And next day plan था, next day
we were going to start with our
right for 6. So you can also see the packing and unpacking, कितना सामान हम लोग ने कैसे कैरी किया था, उसके photos. And that's it. I think we next day we
left in the morning by around 6:30.
6 का plan था, but by the time all that mounting and everything happened, we left at 6:30. So
6:30,
we fueled up.
6:45.
We fueled up and we left.
Yeah.
And
So our routing was from Delhi to Meerut and then to Roorkee, then Haridwar, and then to.
But वहाँ पे हम लोग ने
Sarsi.
श्रीनगर वाला रूट नहीं लिया. We took the Tiri Dam and Chamba वाला रूट, क्योंकि वो रूट apparently
Chamba,
was
Tiri.
good is what we were told, and it actually was superbly good. We saved a lot of time reaching up to I think Tiri से भी काफी आगे.
Yeah.
Almost till Rudraprayag the road was wonderful. Rudraprayag के बाद then वो actual rides start हुआ था off-roading, but that on the next video. And guess करो how much time we took to reach Sarsi from Delhi. Okay, if you have the right answer, we are just starting off, so we obviously cannot do any giveaways, but we'll give you a thumbs up. And on the comment below, write how many hours we took to reach Sarsi,
And how many stops did we
and
take?
how many stops, and how many times we fell. How many times I fell. और रुद्रप्रयाग में तो बजरंगबली ने बचा दिया था. You remember that
I know,
मंदिर
I know.
वाला scene?
I know.
But yeah, that's it. So see you in the next video, guys. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the latest updates. This is going to be a regular weekly thing now. And if we can come up with any small videos or small shorts or something, then obviously we will put it up. We're trying a level best, so hope you guys support us, subscribe, share it with your friends. Do comment below about how you find our stuff. Give us some feedback. Tell us about what you would want us to do, what more, or any tips, tricks, anything.
हो गया, बोल देंगे उन लोग यार, इतना सब बताने की जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं,
वो
just
उन
याद
लोग को
दिला रहा
सबको मालूम है क्या करने
Just याद दिला रहा हूँ
वो
because
नीचे सब्सक्राइब का है, उधर बटन दबा देंगे उन लोग. डोंट वरी,
ऐसे याद दिला रहा हूँ.
एवरीथिंग डन.
अच्छा लगता है वो, ऐसे मेरे को पिंग आता है न्यू पर्सन सब्सक्राइब, ऐसा लगता है अरे वाह तेरे मुंह में घी शक्कर.
हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा.
Okay, thank you guys.
Please watch.
Thank you so much for watching and stay safe, take care. Bye bye.